Samsung is preparing to advance foldables. We might be in for a significant update if the most recent Galaxy Z Fold 8 leak is even remotely accurate. Anthony has provided important specifications. Both the 6.5-inch cover display and the 8-inch primary screen of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 are anticipated to include dynamic AMOLED displays and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. A new dual-layer, ultra-thin glass with a reinforced metal support plate may increase durability and lessen creases, giving the Fold a smoother, more upscale appearance. With a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, Samsung may offer flagship-level camera capabilities. It might be among the greatest camera foldables available thanks to this configuration. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, which has enhanced cooling for better performance, powers the gadget. In order to provide dependable all-day use, the phone is also anticipated to have a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt charging. With storage up to 1 TB, you'll probably receive 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM. In order to address a major issue with earlier generations, Samsung is also attempting to make the gadget lighter and smaller. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Wide Fold are now visible on China's 3C certification platform as the launch approaches, providing us with a preview of their charging capabilities. Based on Samsung's standard naming scheme, two model numbers, SMF 9710 and SMF 9760, have been identified as the Chinese versions of the Galaxy Z Wide Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold 8. It's crucial to remember that 3C listings usually only verify wired charging speeds, not wireless. The 25-watt wired charging found in the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is anticipated to be much improved by the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Wide Fold. The future gadget, known as the Samsung Galaxy Wide Fold, might change the course of the company's foldable product line. The popular Chinese tipster digital chat station claims that Samsung is now working on a foldable device that resembles a passport but has a larger physical aspect. According to the source, the gadget would have a 7.6-inch primary screen, which is comparable in size to the existing Galaxy Fold versions. Rumor has claimed that the next Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor will power the Galaxy Wide Fold. Its larger aspect ratio, which may provide a more pleasant viewing and multitasking experience than conventional book-style foldables, may be the primary distinction. If accurate, this would rank the gadget among the most potent Android smartphones anticipated to be released in that generation.